Hey, what's up, guys? Brendan Parker here. Hope you guys are doing great. This is betonline.ag. This is a sports book that you guys can register with when you guys are coming into our AI sports picks. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how this platform works, how to deposit, how to withdraw. And this is more crypto savvy. So let's just start there. Once you make an account, you're going to want to deposit. So obviously, all my crypto friends, you're able to use Bitcoin, Litecoin, altcoins, and you can also use a credit card. So minimum of $25, maximum 500. So I started with $100. Obviously, you can do more with Bitcoin up to $1 million with 0% fee and e-check. Okay, I'm not familiar with e-check, but if you guys have that, go for it. You're going to click on withdrawal and you're going to withdraw a request. Okay. So you're going to come down here, enter an amount. I want to withdraw 20 bucks. And what you can do here will give you different options for you to choose Bitcoin, crypto. So you're going to have to set up a crypto address on your computer or your phone and just enter the receiving address here. And then you'll be able to submit the request and get the withdrawal. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back. That's how to deposit and withdraw with Bet Online. Obviously, with crypto, it's borderless. That's why I like cryptocurrency. So you guys can actually take advantage of our AI sports picks and get access to a good platform to bet NFL, NCAA, MLB, UFC, WNBA, the whole nine. There's other games that you can bet as well, more casino like. But what we're going to do is actually teach you guys how to put in a sports pick. Okay, so every single day, this is the sports picks that you guys are going to see. It's going to range from 2 to 3, 4, 5, sometimes even 6 sports picks per day. You can choose to do one or all. I do every single sports pick. And today, which is Thursday, September 26th, we're going to be doing NFL. It's Thursday night football here in the US. So Cowboys are playing, and it's a Cowboys -5. All right. And 2 units and a star. What this means is this is the different spread. So Cowboys is a -5 spread, and the 2U is a 2 units. All right, so 1 unit, 1 unit, 2 unit, 1 unit. So this basically just means 1 unit means like 1% or 2% of your total bankroll. All right, so if you're starting with $100, you're going to want to risk 2% of that bankroll. This is the AI algorithm that it suggests you to do. I obviously bet a lot higher than that, from 10 to 15, sometimes even 20% per bet of my bankroll. I'm a very high risk, high reward, but also could go and give high losses as well. So do whatever you're comfortable with. This is not financial advice. This is the strategy that I use. Okay, so everyone that's watching this video has signed up in the registration form, has agreed to the terms and conditions and the disclaimer. This is for educational purposes only. Okay, so Cowboys -5 dash 2 units, 2% of your bankroll. I would start off small. Obviously, that's what I started off with $100. And I was just doing about $5, $10 bets. You guys can do $1 bets just to get your feet wet and to build more confidence with our AI algorithm. Okay, so let's go to Cowboys -5. So Cowboys, Dallas Cowboys, September 26th. Make sure it's the right date. It's September 26th. Dallas Cowboys, the game spread -5.5. All right, so whoever's negative means that that team is favored to win. Whoever's in positive is basically favored to lose. All right, so we're going to click on -5.5. And this will pop up. So it's Dallas Cowboys -5.5. If you go back here, it says -5. That means the spread is going to be a little bit different. Sometimes it'll be higher, sometimes it'll be lower. I always take it unless it's absolutely insane. Okay, if it was like -8, -10, I probably wouldn't take it. It'll just be within 0.5 or 1 or 2, which is fine. Okay, so I'm going to do a $5 bet, and it'll place, just let me know what I will win. Obviously, you're going to win back your $5 and what you win, the 463. You're going to click place the bet. All right. And then we're going to move to the next one. Cowboys 1HML. So that is the first half money line minus 180 dash 1 unit. All right. 1% of my bankroll. Cowboys 1/2 money line. Okay. So first half is Cowboys. Make sure you unclick whatever's red. That means you're clicking. So if you click multiple, you're doing a parlay. Okay. You could scroll over here. I'm sorry, that's the first half spread. First, we want first half money line. So be very careful. First half ML, which is money line. First half money line, which is Dallas Cowboys. All right, which is a -80. It might be a little bit different. It's perfect, -80. All right, I'm going to place my bet here. I'm going to do $10 bet. I'll win $5.56. I'm going to place my bet. Bet has placed successfully. Click on done. Go to the next one. Theo Johnson over 13.5 receiving yards, -1 unit. Theo Johnson, receiving yards. Theo Johnson. We're going to click on over 13.5. Theo over 13.5. So right here is at 16 is minimum. Okay. So at least 16 receiving at -114. All right. Put in the wager, $10. Return is 1880. All right. To have 16 plus receiving at -114 yards for Theo Johnson, Dallas at New York Giants. Play singles. Bet was successfully submitted. Let's go to my bets. Theo over 15.5 receiving. Dallas Cowboys money line first half. There it is. -5.5. $10, $10. That's my bets. Bet slip. Okay. So we're going to go to the next one. MLB Dodgers money line right here. MLB, which is right here. Let's go to the Dodgers. Scroll down to the Los Angeles Dodgers. Dodgers money line -120 -2 units with a star. Dodgers money line. This one's pretty simple. Game money line. You're going to click, make sure it's LA Dodgers. Boom. Put in my wager, $10. Win $9.35. Place bet. Bet play successfully. Go back to my bets. Boom. Baseball. There it is. 10, 20, 30, $40. Okay. Next one. The Twins -1.5 +100 -1 unit. Twins -1.5. Minnesota Twins -1.5 game run. Go ahead. $10. Win $8.70. Place bet. Okay, hold on. Minnesota Twins, Miami Marlins. Odds have changed from, okay, that's fine. Place bet. Done. All right. And that is it. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 AI sports picks that I'm going to send every single day. And what's really cool is that the algorithm will give you an explanation why it thinks that it came up with Cowboys -5, Cowboys first half money line. All right. So it gives you a very educated approach and data-driven analytics of why they think that the Cowboys will be -5. So read it. It is very interesting. And if you guys have any questions, need help with anything, just let me know. I'm here to help you guys out. But I appreciate you guys coming and watching that quick tutorial on Bet Online. If you guys have anything else, just let me know. I'm here for you. All right, guys, I'll see you on the group chat. Take care.